How to check people you have recently unblocked on Instagram. Follow this step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in if needed. Now click on the search icon at the bottom and search for the username in the search bar. Now open their profile. However, if you don't remember the username, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Account Center. Once inside, click on your information and permission. Under this section, tap on Download your information. At the top, choose Download or Transfer information. Next, choose the Instagram from the list of platforms and hit Next. Then select some of your information to customize the type of data you want. Now scroll down slowly until you find the option labeled Followers and Following and click on it. Hit Next. Then choose Download to Device. After that, set your preferred data range, format, and click on the Create File at the bottom. Lastly, within 10 to 15 minutes, Instagram will notify you that your file is ready to download. Once the file is ready, hit download and you will see a list of accounts you have recently unblocked, including the dates and username. That's all. Now you know how to check people you recently unblocked on Instagram.